walk you through how to use an e-commerce backend. So this is server side only. And first I'm going to create my database. So I'm going to run MySQL root and connect to my database. And then I'm going to source db schema.sql. That's going to create my e-commerce database. And then I'm going to exit out of this and seed my database with some test data. So then I'm going to go npm run seed, and that should execute. Okay, and at this point I have a database and some test data in there. So I'm going to start up my server, running node server.js, and now my server is up and running. And from this point, I'm going to open up my Insomnia, and you can see I have my routes sort of pre-set up here by categories, products, and tags. If I go to my get route in my categories and send that, it will return all of my categories here, and it will you can see here that we have also the associated products with those categories. And then if I single out one category, let's say number 2, it will return just that category. And you can see here it's shorts, and a product associated with that category is cargo shorts. When I go to my post route, I can create a new category, and let's call that sports, and send that. And we'll see a new category has been created with the ID number 6. Now if I go to my put route, I want to change my category number 6 to sports equipment instead of just sports. So I'm going to send that, and it looks like it was successful, but let's go back to my get and go to 6, send that over, and you'll see new category here, sports equipment, and it doesn't have any products associated with it. And now I'm going to say, you know what, I don't really need a sports equipment category because I don't have any products that fall under that category, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete ID 6, send that, and then go back to get all my categories, and I will find that is no longer there. When I go to my product routes, you'll see here, I'm just going to get all of them, and what you'll see is that I have my product, the category that that product is in, and then the tags associated with that product. When I say I want to just look at product 5, send that, and then I get, oh, again, cargo shorts, and the tags associated with that product. I can also do a post. I've already written one up here, and my new product is basketball, and I'm going to say that that category is not defined yet. And send that over. And when I go to get this product, I'm not really sure what number it is, so I'm just going to get all of them. I'll see at the bottom my new product of basketball. It doesn't have a category, and all the tags that I associated with it. When I do a put, so maybe I want to update this, and I forget now what number that one basketball with ID 6. I want to update 6. And I want to say these things about it. I want to associate it with category this time. So I'm going to update it to category ID 5. Send that over. I think that worked. Let's look. Back in products. And it looks like a category got associated, shoes. Okay. And then now I'm like, you know what? These are out of stock. I want to delete it. So delete, send, and when I try to get 6, it should say it's not available. No product found with this ID. I look at my products. It's not there. Tags. Get all my tags here. And you'll see that it's join tag to products. So all the products that are associated with that tag are all still listed here. And then I want to post a new tag. I'm going to call it youth. And send that over. It's an ID and youth. But I want to post it and say, no, I don't want to call it that anymore. I want to call it youth clothing. Send that over. And then when I get tag number 9, it should say youth clothing. And now I'm like, these are out of stock. I'm going to delete that. And when I send that over, I should see it doesn't exist anymore when I get all my tags. ID 9 is gone. So that's how that works. It looks like all my routes are working as expected. So thanks for watching.